Today's quick tip is on detangling. Do you have a hard time detangling your natural type 4, type 4B, type 4C hair? Detangling can be one of the biggest obstacles for us as naturals. For a lot of us, we don't have enough time to do detangling, and that's one of the biggest problems. Detangling is best when you have a pre-poo in your hair, and for me, I use olive oil to pre-poo my natural hair before I think about any sort of detangling. I detangle on dry and also on wet hair, so I'm not averse to any one of them. The main thing is that if you are going to detangle, do give your hair some slippage before. As I said, if you apply oil, the comb will slip through it, or if you apply water, it will slip through it too. So if you are going to detangle your hair, set aside some time, have some patience. You can go from root to tip, or you can go from tip to root. It really doesn't matter. So if you're going to go from tip to root, do that patiently and bit by bit. Our hair is full, coily and tangly, so you want to make sure that you are gentle and patient, and in time you will be able to detangle your hair. Do check out my videos on how to detangle your type 4 natural hair. Check out Simply Shev, where I have more than 280 videos on how to take care of your natural hair. I do hope you've enjoyed today's quick tip.